Guys, welcome back to Faxi Tech. Today I will show you how to turn your Android phone into a mini cloud server using Termux. No VPS, no credit card, totally free. You can host your bots, web apps or automation scripts right from your pocket. So let's start the video. Download the Termux application from description and don't forget to download the command file because it is very important. We will install some basic packages in Termux. So let's start with the first command. I will provide all the commands in the file and instructions in it. So this package will take 5 to 6 minutes. Whenever it asks this, then simply press N and then enter. Our packages are successfully installed. Now we will install a simple server. Now copy the commands from the txt file and paste it there. Our server is now running successfully, so let's make it 24/7 by running third command. So before we run third command, you will need a Ngrok token. So open your Chrome browser and search Ngrok. I will provide the link of Ngrok and create account on it. Then simply click on three lines and your auth token and then copy your token. Then simply go to your Termux and paste the third command and also put your token in it. It will look just like this. Then simply press enter. This our local server is now public just like web and runner. Now we will exit the terminal, so I will show you the next command how you can reconnect your this server. Now we will add our last command. This command will help you reconnect with your server whenever you exit the Termux. I have added two bonus commands in txt file which will help you run your Telegram bots or Discord bots in this server. And that's it. Your Android is now a 24/7 server. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe and comment what bot you are hosting next. Next video I will show how to connect this setup to GitHub Actions for full automation.